ngavele wavota Votela umkhonto wesizwe Iye ngabona umkhonto ngawubona Aphinde ngawubona ngavele wavota Votela umkhonto wesizwe Votela umkhonto wesizwe Iye ngabona umkhonto ngawubona Aphinde ngawubona ngavele wavota Votela umkhonto wesizwe Iye ngabona umkhonto ngawubona Aphinde ngawubona ngavele wavota Votela umkhonto wesizwe
Amandla! 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 Viva Msholozi, viva! Viva ngomthatha, viva! Viva nge-Eastern Cape, viva!
Siyanamkela ke eMpuma Koloni sithi umkhonto siza kukhulisa ngokuphinda-phindeneyo. Sithi siyiMpuma Koloni nezinto esesiziqaphele ezifana ne-corruption komasipala njengoba sisiya kolukhetho silwela ukuyikhupha nengcambu nabanikazi bayo. Sifuna ukuqiniseka mongameli into yokuba amazwi esigezo athethwa nguPremier walapha esithi umkhonto wesizwe uyawuphela ecam kwendlela apha awungekho ungene. Siza kuqinisekisa uba ungena umkhuphe yena ibe nguye lume ecam kwendlela.
Sifisa ukubonga ukuthi kule program kugcwele abantu abasha. Sifisa ukusho ukuthi yinye iprogram young people. Asiphumeni ngaphandle abantu ba register ukuvota iMK Party sithatha omasipala.
CMK-MVA, we pledge all our allegiance kwi-MK Party. Singamasoja womkhonto wesizwe. Sihamba ne-MK Party. MK Party isamkele singamasoja womkhonto wesizwe.
Let us start. I, Henry Alec Mkuna, voluntarily join Umkhonto Wesizwe Party as an individual who is committed to abide by and uphold its constitution.
Comrades, I have come here to introduce the president of black people. I have come here to introduce the president who has a clear record of servicing black people in rural areas and urban areas. I've come here to introduce a social organic intellectual. I have come here to introduce the son of the soil. I have come here to introduce the president who is not a favorite of white people, but who is a favorite of black people. Comrade, I've come here to introduce the president who has been victimized by the white establishment, but he has never backed down. Even when they embarrassed him, they took him to jail. He came back to jail and aligned himself with the agenda of total liberation. Comrades, I've come here to introduce uMengameli uNcamalala, uMaphume Phethe, uMsholozi. Let's all rise and welcome our president. Zuma, 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 Zuma.
Somlandela nomo yapi, somlandela uzuma nomo yapi, somlandela.
Ngiyafisa ukuthi siqine kwezinye indawo kuba khona ubulukhuni, kukhona abantu abasalwa izimpi zale organization yethu kokuthiwa uANC. Angazi bafunani Nkosi yami, ngoba phela I think noma behleli noma benjani babona ukuthi ilanga lishonile kubona. Lishonile ngoba abayenzanga into abayetshenwa okhokho ukuthi asithathizwe lo muntu omnyama aphinde aphile abe umuntu siyiphathele izwe lethu. Angazi ukuthi baxakwa yini abantu kwenze njalo, kodwa ke into yasemhlabeni. Ngifisa ke ukuwabonga amalungu lawa namhlanje azile azodi siyajoyina. Ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba sikwazile ukwenza lokhu le lizwe lakithi lelala lasikhona izwe libaluleke kabi emhlabeni. Izwe ngokomthetho ungawabala nje amazwe angabamaningi okuyiwona okufanele ukuthi abe phambili abe phambili, so to speak, ukuthi asiwineni sithatha izwe lakobaba. Abantu bakithi ke bayathengeka Nkosi yami ngenxa yendlala. Awu Thixo, indlala isifo. Uyabona, ubona abantu bethukana bekhuluma lokhuya bekhulume lokhuya. Ngize ngithi Nkosi yami, uJesu akasabuyi kanye nje azosikhuza thina abantu abamnyama. Afike nje athi, sorry, I am the Son of God. Musani ukulwa nodwa abese ndize pheka phezulu asishiye phansi. Ngokomthetho sonke thina abantu abamnyama ikusasa lethu likuthina likho kwabanye abantu. Kodwa ngesinye isikhathi siyalithatha silipha abanye abantu. Ezinye izizwe nje zayifikela sizondane sodwa. Njengamanje into edume kakhulu, abantu sebajwayela imali kakhulu kwaze kweqa. bangakushiya impela odakeni. Maye babo, yinye nje into okufanele basiyenze, sithathe umbuso wezwe lethu, sithathe konke ngemva kwalokho, yokumbuwa phansi, umhlaba, yiyo yonke into ila ezandleni zethu asiyenzi. Iningi lethu sikhohliswa ifiki, khohliswa zifiki, ziyabusa zona, thina dololo.
You're tired of giving your trust to their hands, but staying away won't fix this land. Power on you still strengthens the brand.